How to back up Google Drive to external hard drive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and then search for Google Drive. So I'm just going to search for drive.google.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly to your Google Drive. So I've got a lot of files here. So what I'm going to do is you could try to go ahead and click on one of them and then click on select all by pressing Control plus A, and it will select all the files. I don't have that many files, so I'm able to select all of them at once. But if you have multiple files, hundreds and hundreds of files that you want to back up on your hard drive, in that case, you're going to have to use Google Takeout. So open a new tab and then simply search for Google Takeout. Hit enter and then click on the first link that you see. Now on the Google Takeout option, you can just scroll down and find Google Drive. So I'm just going to find Drive here. Then click on first, you just have to deselect all of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and only select my drive. Select drive, make sure all drive data is included. All of these are checked. You could also choose advanced settings to include name, published, and uploaded versions. And make sure the multiple format is also selected. Click on OK. Now just scroll all the way to the bottom, go to next tab, choose download via link, export at once, and then select your file type .zip, select your file size, and then click on export. Now it will show you the export progress. So once your files are ready to download, you can easily download them from Google Drive, your email. All of the zipped files will be downloaded from the email, and then the last step is to actually move them to your drive. So here I've plugged in my drive, my external hard drive. So what I'm going to do is just copy those files that I've downloaded and then paste them here. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.